Hi, Steve Hayden again. I want to talk about some of the little problems you'll have with uploading. You notice here I have my LED ready, and I have my my while switch ready, and I have it all plugged into pin 10. And I've already uploaded it once, so actually if I turn it on, you're going to see it blink. Okay, so what I wanted to do was make it blink faster, and when I went to upload it, it wouldn't upload it. It gave me the dreaded error there. And so I'm using a Mac, and what I've discovered with the Leonardo is I have to unplug it, come over here to upload on my thing, click the upload, and while I do that, turn around and plug it in. Right after you, well, I'm not plugging it in fast enough. You'll see pin 13 is blinking because it's uploading. Okay, now, oh, it said it's problem again. So what I'll do is I'll verify, unplug, upload, plug. Okay, it took that time. Check it with the blinking fast now, just like I intended. Okay, so that I'll have it blinking fast on the code at Pulse Module, but pay attention to how I did that. Verify, unplug, upload, plug. It's real important that you follow that pattern. So now we're going to test. We're going to get to testing. Now that I know the control, the while loop switch works, we'll go to the next step. We'll go to the next step, which will be plugging in the module that we built and see if it works. All right, thanks.